Hi, let me share with you the antigen test that I will do at home. And first thing you have to do is wash your hands, then apply alcohol. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. And we have the test kit um, where I have the swab, the solution, and the cassette test. That's what they call it. So first, you have to maybe improvise to put the solution. Maybe just get a box and insert a hole so it can stand. Okay, we'll be using it later. So what I will do is insert the swab in my nostril area gently. Okay, so let me open it first. And I can't open it. Okay, so let me get scissors. So make sure that the scissors are sterile. So okay, so here's the swab. So insert it in each nostril and rotate it 5 times each. Okay, so I'll just do it gently. Five, and then the other nostril. Okay, so now we open the solution, and okay, I'm opening it now. Okay. Then dip it and okay, you have to close it, maybe squeeze it 10 to 15 times. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so just close the tube and then shake it a bit. And then for the cassette kit, it's like well, most women are familiar with this. So just make 3 drops. Okay. So 3 drops, 3 to 5 drops maybe, and then wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Okay, bye, thank you. Hi, it's a negative. Thank you for watching. Bye.